for a lip-smacking side snack? Bingo! Nachos with salsa is a perfect option. Namaste. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Desi Videshi. Nachos is a Mexican dish and is loved by people all over. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare perfect nachos with salsa. We shall begin with the preparation of salsa sauce. To begin with, you need 1 cup of diced tomatoes, 2 green chilies, 1 onion, 1 tablespoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 clove of garlic. Put it in a mixer all together. Do not mix it for long, else it will turn into a puree. Your salsa sauce is now ready. For the preparation of the final recipe, you need a cup of baked beans and microwave it for 1 minute. Nachos, salsa sauce, cheese and chili flakes for garnishing. To begin with, you need to spread baked beans on it. Followed by salsa sauce. You can be generous with it as it adds a tangy flavor. Last but not the least, grate cheese lavishly. You need to be extra generous with it. Followed by chili flakes. Your plate of nachos is now ready to be served instantly as you don't want it to turn soggy. I hope you like this recipe. Try it out and let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Press the bell icon for recent updates. Thank you and have a good day.